Perfect for entrances and other applications, Waterhog Fashion is a revolutionary scraper wiper mat. Reinforced carpet provides a safe, crush-proof scraping action that removes soil and moisture from shoes, providing a safe surface to walk on. Dirt and moisture are held in the lower area of the mat, so they are not tracked off by others. Its fabric borders make the Waterhog Fashion a very attractive mat. Fabric borders also act as dams to contain contaminants on the mat. In fact, Waterhog Fashion will hold 1.5 gallons of water per square yard, keeping it out of your facility. Waterhog Fashion's non-skid rubber backing will last for years and resists curling and cracking. Incorporating 20% post-consumer recycled rubber helps keep used car tires out of our landfills. These mats are also certified slip-resistant by the National Floor and Safety Institute. 19 attractive colors are available in the long-lasting 24-ounce per square yard polypropylene carpet. The stain-resistant solution-dyed carpet won't fade or rot and is anti-static. Purchase Waterhog Fashion and enjoy the benefits.